Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today I'm going to make Ras Malai Cake, which is gaining its popularity within the Indian people for the past few months. This cake is going to taste just like eating Ras Malai. Let's start with the preparation. In a mixing bowl, add a half cup of milk, quarter cup of yogurt or curd, quarter cup of evaporated milk or condensed milk or normal milk. Take around 20 strands of saffron in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of hot milk and mix it until you get dark yellow color. So once you get the dark yellow color, you can add it to the mixture. Whisk it well. Mix it until you find no yogurt lumps. And then I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Take a sieve and add in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve it well and remove the lumps left behind. And 4 tablespoons of almonds and pistachios powder, which I made by powdering 15 almonds and 8 pistachios. Mix it well with a whisk. There should not be any lumps. Mix it until you find a thick batter. The batter should be at a pouring consistency. So once you mix the batter, add in 1 teaspoon of white distilled vinegar and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Give a final mix and the batter is ready. Take an 8-inch cake pan, grease it with butter and dust it with all-purpose flour or maida. Pour in the cake batter, tap it and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And for the filling, let's make whipping cream by taking half a cup of heavy cream. Beat it well. For the first 1 minute, you'll be finding more foam. After 2 minutes of beating, you'll find thick yogurt texture. Now we can add half a cup of powdered sugar. Beat it again until you find thick creamy texture. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract or almond extract and yellow gel food color. And beat for about 10 more seconds and you'll get yellow whipped cream. Meanwhile, the cake is ready after 25 minutes of baking and also it has cooled down. Cut the cake horizontally into 2 halves. Here I have some homemade ras malai. I've also mentioned the homemade ras malai link in the description box below. Take some malai and add it on top of the bottom layer. Spread the malai all over the cake and also add some ras malai pieces. Cover it with the layer of whipped cream. And now we can place the top layer of the cake over the bottom layer of the cake. And now I'm going to cover it with the buttercream frosting. So I made the buttercream frosting by beating half a cup of softened unsalted butter and then added 2 cups of powdered sugar to it and again I beat it and then added half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then added 2 tablespoons of milk and yellow gel food color. You need to beat it again and the buttercream frosting will be ready. Now that the frosting is ready, I'm going to decorate it with some homemade fondant flowers. Also, I've decorated with some sliced almonds and pistachios. Now I'm adding rasgullas on top of the flower. Adding saffron on top of rasgulla makes it even more appetizing and the yummy and tasty trending ras malai cake is ready. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.